India is an abode of rich heritage and natural splendors. Each state in India is blessed with immense natural beauty, and Karnataka is no exception. Nature is complete when there is water source. This can be a lake, river, a waterfall, or even a sea. If there is water, then there is life. If there is life, then there is everything. If you're planning for one such weekend getaway or a day outing within an accessible distance from Bengaluru, then you can plan a trip to Vanivilassagar Dam, also called Mari Kanive.
If you're visiting Vanivilas Dam from Bangalore, then you will have to go through National Highway 4. NH4 connects Bangalore and Mumbai. So there is a place called Hiriyur at which you will have to take a deviation. NH4 is connected very well from various parts of the city. You can take any of the nice road and then exit at Tumkur Road exit point. From here on, the drive is a breeze. Guys, by now you would be pretty hungry as you have travelled with us till Tumkur. So let us take you to a wonderful hotel where you get lip-smacking tatte idlis served with amazing chutney. This place is called as Pavitra Tatte Idli Hotel, which is near Kyatasandra on the way to Tumkur. So if you're on this highway, then you should definitely not miss this place. We suggest you to try tatte idli in this hotel. Tatte means plate in Kannada. Tatte idli is typically a bigger size of idli. The perfect combination of idli, butter and chutney will take your breath away. Vanivilassagar Dam is located about 190 kilometers from Bangalore and around 25 kilometers from Hiriyur. It almost takes around 4 hours to reach the place from Bangalore. Vanivilassagar Dam is the oldest dam in Karnataka and was built by the Maharajas of Mysore. The project was administered by Queen Kempananjamanni Vanivilas, and hence the dam is also called as Vanivilas Dam. Since there is a temple dedicated to Marikamba near the dam, it is also called as Mari Kanive. There is an annual fair that is held every year during March, which attracts number of tourists from the southern states of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Also, there are special pujas performed here during Dasara of every year. Vanivilassagar Dam is built across the river Vedavathi. The dam has been a tourist attraction for many years, and many Kannada movies have been shot in this location. Earlier, people could take a stroll on top of the dam and admire the beauty of the place. However, due to some unforeseen incidents that has happened in this place recently, the dam officials have blocked this path.
The place is beautiful, especially during monsoons, right? The greenery is totally amazing, and the play of clouds is amazing. So we'll show you a time-lapse video, so how you'll get to know about the place. It's a worth visit if at all you are into Bangalore-Mumbai highway. So take a deviation near Hiriyur and go to this place. He is shouting continuously. That means his excitement on seeing this place.
Abhi, did you like the place?
No.
This is something very funny.
Sources say that the river Vedavathi is a confluence of two different rivers, Veda and Avati. This river later joins Tungabhadra river. There are two different routes to access the dam. You can drive up to the guest house and then walk down a few steps to the dam point, or you can also climb a few steps up from the temple. So there are steps behind the temple from which you can go to the top point of the dam. From here you get spectacular views of the Vedavathi river. The dam is an exquisite piece of architecture and an engineering marvel of that time. This dam irrigates a large area of the Deccan region of Central Karnataka. It irrigates more than 100 square kilometers of land in Hiriyur Taluk through right and left bank canals. VanivilasSagar Dam is also the source of domestic water for Hiriyur, Hosadurga, Chitradurga and Challakere, largely to the whole district of Chitradurga. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, we have placed an iCard at the end of the video for exclusive drone footages of Vani Vilasa Sagara Dam.